The spring is part of your tool's trigger assembly. It pushes the trigger back out when you release it. After years of use, the spring can fatigue and break. Replacing the spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the trigger from the nail gun. I'll use a punch to push the trigger pin free from the retainer. Then I'll remove the punch, remove the pin, and then I'll carefully remove the trigger, being careful to not lose the spring. Now I can install the new spring. Now I can reassemble the trigger and spring. I'll place the spring inside the opening on the trigger, compress the spring, and align both pieces with the nail gun. I make sure that I slide the spring over the top of the trigger valve. Then I'll insert the hinge pin through both the body and the trigger. And secure it with the retainer. And that's all it takes to replace the spring on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up